Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm a Pilates instructor.
Good. Nice. Now face your palms down onto the mat.
I really love my job because I love working with people.
Press on it and then it just feels sensitive.
Okay. Does it hurt when you move?
I work 6 days a week. Usually I get up at 7 a.m. to go to work.
Okay, now see if you can keep your tailbone as much down on the mat.
Every day when I wake up, I take a shower, brush my teeth, make coffee, and read the news. I don't have a TV, so I do everything on my computer. Usually I go to work at 9 a.m., but on my days off, I don't like to leave the house.
Today is Sarah's day off, so she isn't going to work. At the moment, she's reading. But Sarah does a lot of other things on her days off. So, what is she doing today?
I'm learning to play the guitar, but I'm not very good at it yet.
Sarah practices the guitar every day. She can't play it very well, but she's improving all the time. Sarah also likes to knit. She can knit very well. She's knitting a sweater for her brother.
Bonjour. Bonjour.
Sarah is also learning a new language.
I don't have a lot of time on work days, but on my day off, I like to practice learning French.
Bonjour.
Sarah has French classes twice a week.
Je suis américain. Américain.
She has a friend from France called Eve. Today, she's talking to Eve on Skype. Sarah also does some housework. She's watering the plants and washing the dishes. But she isn't doing a lot of housework. She just wants to relax.